Well, I haven't been doing too much recording, but I did go and grab a space heater. If you follow me on Instagram and actually pay attention to what I post, I've been posting this in my story. Still waiting on Mr. Bounce That Derriere to send me my air damn pieces. I know he ain't gonna watch this, but oh well. I'll just keep shooting subliminals online.
Damn.
The message to get back to him. But yeah. So I forgot to grab it. I'm going to rubberize coat this area right here. Pretty much have it flow all the way back into the trunk, because you can see the trunk is black. I don't know why they separated this back in the day, but flow this all the way back into here, get some sound deadening, then go buy me a carpet and lay that in here. And then the other thing I'm going to shift my focus to is rewiring this entire car. Go get me a wiring harness, get these windows to work, get this one, get this motor to either go down or up, so I can put that in there. But yeah, this is what I'm on right now. Got the space heater going. It seems to be working because I can touch this now. And I did this yesterday in the cold. I actually took off the tape a little bit early, but I mean, didn't nothing fall out of place and then start dripping or nothing like that. So, yep. Also, let me see. I've been taking off the brake lines and the fuel line. Now I gotta do the passenger side. That's all the driver's side. It's a pain in the ass, but we're gonna get it done. So, got my little trusty light right here. Trusty light, about to get the business. You hear me, but I tried my best to not have to do cut off wheels and all that, but I got one here that I cannot reach with no socket or nothing, so let me see if I can get the right angle and cut this out. Whole lot more. We got a hammer over here. Thanks, buddy. Tell your mama, thank you. Shut the door. Well. It's a bit of a process, but got the driver's side out. Only thing is the two, I got these out. There's one bolt on this side, couldn't get out, but I got the whole line out. So even if I do a frame off or lift this up to get the body mounts out, I'll take the bolt out then. But driver's side, passenger side, fuel line and brake line is now completely out the car. So yeah, I'm gonna call it quits here. But this was a bit of a process, but it's all out. Wasn't nothing rotted out like crazy. As you can see, everything with this car, it's just dirt. I mean, granted, it had to get some rush repair, but the car's solid for the most part. I say it's about like 95% solid, but Jesus Christ, man, the dirt. All right, so I'm gonna let this sit in here. Let this sit in here, let this dry some more. I may try it later today. It ain't gonna be a part of this video. Or I might try it tomorrow. But also, let me show you this. These clips is just got a little, what is it, oxidation on them or whatever. But like the clip, you can still see the stainless, all that. Ain't all bent up and, well, not bent up, but all rotted out. The car's solid, but man. Anywho, brake lines and all that's out. Brake lines and fuel lines is all out the car. So I'm gonna let this cook up right here. And yeah, I'm gonna call it quits on this. So might be able to hear it in my voice a little bit. Still sick, but it is what it is. Got the job done. So get this painted up, this area right here. Then get the sound deadening and some carpet, and I'll be on my way. But right now, gonna let this space heater do its job. I'm about to go watch me some football.
Well, bye.